I designed these 3 lesson plans for an English learner student. After I did the CALPA pre-assessment to this student, I knew his English proficiency level is very low. Therefore, in addition to the key content vocabulary, I also added a vocabulary list to help him to understand the content. When I designed these 3 lesson plans, I aligned with the UDL framework. I provided multiple presentations like oral presentation and watching a movie clip. I also provided multiple means of action and expressions. To show comprehension of the content, the student needed to orally state and summarize the contract labor system in Hawaii. He also needs to finish the worksheets in writing. I provided the students multiple means of engagement. I tried to motivate the student to learn and make him interested in the content. After watching the movie Picture Bride, I asked the student questions related to the movies. I also asked students to draw up a typical laborer's contract.